Hi, my name is Jemima, the founder of FURAHA TALLA, and today I'm here to share my experience at the Nervtek Girls Tech Camp. But before we start, let's begin with what it's all about. The Nervtek Girls Camp is an educational and empowerment initiative designed to introduce girls and young women to technology, innovation, and leadership, especially in environments where access to STEM opportunities are limited. It is a hands-on learning camp that exposes girls to technology skills and future-ready thinking at an early age, exposing them to a community of women that could work together and also help them see themselves as creators and not just consumers of technology. At the camp, the team will be responsible to introducing girls to STEM and tech careers, also build confidence and leadership, close the gender in tech gap, and solve real-life problems with technology. With skills gotten from this camp, I was able to build my competence and confidence to pitch my idea in front of an international jury and investors. And this month, it is happening again. The camp is going to run from the 24th to the 28th of March, and it's for girls range 15 to 25. But if you're slightly below 15, you're still welcome. For my girlies in other regions of Cameroon and other parts of the world, come closer, I have something for you. We are having an online session coming up on the 9th, so do well to be present. Save the date, and I'll see you this year at the Nervtek Girls Tech Camp 2026.